In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Prolon discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Prolon discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Chief, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So if you want to get this 20% discount of everything, all you need to do is just select the button where it says get promo code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy from this button, and you can apply this one on your next order to get a 20% discount. Going back to the main search right here, if you scroll down, we have another website which is called Coupons. And as you can see right here, we have a list with other promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. So let's say that you want to get this one with a 15% discount right here. Simply select the button where it says coupon, and this is a promo code right here that you can simply copy from this button, and you can apply this promo code on your next order so that you can get a 15% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.